If you've never used a search formula, this one's for you. In its purest form, the search formula will look at a strand of text and see if it falls within a value. And if it does, it will return the character position of where the value is. If not, it will give you a value error. So as you can see here, we're searching EX and it's giving me a result of 1, and that's because EX is starting with the first character in the name. But if I were to change this to say IL, you'll see that we get a 10 instead, and that's because IL starts with the 10th character in the name. Now let's say we don't want to search the entire string and we want to designate where to start. We can put a comma and then put whatever character you want to start with. So I can put a 5 for example. And now if I search EX, I'll have this value error, and that's because even though EX technically exists in the name, it's before the 5th character where we're starting to search, so it's not within the lookup range. Now where this gets powerful is coupling it with other formulas. So for example, I can do a filter and search formula. So I'll type equals filter, select the range that I want to filter, then put a comma, then I can type search, select the cell that has the search in it, and then go back to our data set and select the range that I want to search. And once I press enter, I can now use that search function to search that entire database. And if the search text exists anywhere in the results, it will populate on this list. So for example, we have OL in all 3 of these results. Now with the filter formula, it's going to return anything that's true and not return anything that's false. So the way it's reading this is if search populates anything, then it's true. And if it gives that value error, it's false. Let me know if you have any questions and like and comment for more.